everybody, welcome to Lexus of Edmonton. We're located off 111th Ave, 170th Street. We're looking at a pre-owned 2011 Lexus GS 350. We have the black exterior, black leather inside with wood trim, 4-door, 5-passenger. This vehicle is Lexus certified pre-owned, and it is the navigation package. So you have powered windows, locks, side window defoggers, driver's seat memory. It's linked to your side mirrors, steering wheel, and seat. Lexus scuff plates, power adjustable front seats with the lumbar support. You have your hood release, gas cap, trunk release, little storage unit there. Side mirrors are powered, traction control off switch, dashboard lighting. You have a power tilted steering wheel. It's fully leather wrapped. You have your audio controls, hands-free communication, Bluetooth cruise control. And then this button right there is for on your display screen, and it gives you a bunch of different options. You have a odometer trip, engine start and stop button. Up top here you have your time, and then you have controls, or I'll show you the temperature. Display screen houses your navigation as well as your backup camera. Side mirrors auto tilt down when you're in reverse and then come back up when you're in park or drive. Lockable glove compartments. So the screen is touch. You have dual zone climate control, AC, front and rear defrost. Side mirrors are heated. For your audio, you have AM, FM, satellite, multi-disc play for CD, auxiliary, and USB. Disc loaders below here, and then you have shortcut buttons. Ashtray, lighter, leather shift knob. You got cup holders, heated and ventilated front seats, blue for cold, and then red for hot. Armrest slides back and lifts up, and this is where you find your USB and auxiliary input, as well as a power outlet and storage. Auto dimming rearview mirror, sunglass holder, overhead lighting, 3 integrated garage door openers, controls for your moon roof. It's power tilted and sliding. It has a sunshade, and you have your adjustable headrest. 18-inch alloy wheels, Michelin all-season tires with wheel locks and mud flaps. You have keyless entry with smart access, chrome trim on the outside. You have remote trunk release, and there is a button that will unlock the trunk. Full-length Lexus carpet for the trunk area. Underneath the floor, you have your full-size spare tire, jack and tools, cargo tie-downs, rear extension into the back seats. And overhead, you have your emergency release and then a handle. Your child safety locks on the back doors, window controls, the wood trim continues back here. Rubber floor mats, back seat pockets, ventilation ducts, fold down armrest with cup holders. That extension into the trunk is located right here and is lockable. Adjustable headrest, child seat anchors for all 3 of the back seats. You have your curtain and side impact airbags, overhead light, handles, and coat hooks. So you have your integrated turn signal lights in your side mirrors, puddle lamp lights underneath. You can fold them shut. Around to the front, you have your daytime running lights and your fog lights.